How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use or how to boolean in ZBrush. So I'm going to use the boolean onto this sphere right here. First things first, you want to click on the subtool option, navigate through the duplicate option, and just click on append. You then want to select the shape that you want to boolean. So I'm using this plain 3D, or maybe let's just use this cube right here. Select your cube, and then of course you want to align this accordingly. So basically I'm going to make this a bit smaller in order to boolean it properly into my model. And now after adjusting the model the way you want to, just select the live boolean option. And then in here we have different presets, like if you want to dug onto the model itself, of course you could simply do that. So just select your original model, and from here you can apply the shapes or the cubes that we have selected. So once again, I'm just going to adjust this like this, and then let's click our sphere, and then I want my object to simply dig or dug onto the object itself, which will then look something like this. So once again, you have different presets that you can go ahead and use. For example, with this one, of course, we can adjust this accordingly. If you want to make it smaller, if you want to move it this way, that way, of course, you could simply just do so. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.